Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a dynamic dashboard in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So now we need just to go to dashboards. And if you can't find this here in your navbar, you can simply go to the app launcher. So from here, let's just try again and go to the app launcher, and from there we will need to find our dashboard. So basically you can find this also from here and you can access to the dashboard. If you want to add the dashboards to your navbar, you can customize it by adding more items and search for the dashboards. So now I'm just going to click on a new dashboard, and now we can simply start creating our new dashboard or dynamic dashboard. So basically, you will need just to start adding any widgets that you would like. And for example, this one, I'm just going to select anything and I'm just going to add it here. So simply, all we need to do is to start adding more configurations on our dashboard. And basically, all we need to do is to view the dashboard as me, and let the dashboard viewers choose whom they view the dashboard as. And basically, you will need just to add anything that you would like for the themes, etc. And by this, your dashboard will become dynamic. So basically, all the informations will be uh, run by time, and it will be real time uh, to update. And also you can add some field to filter if you have or you need more filtering. So for example, we can choose some filtering type, for example an article name, and you can display name. You add the filter value, and this will also add for the dynamism of the dashboard by adding more filtering and dynamism. So basically that's it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.